Just missed the eagle. There's a juvenile. They're feeding on it. Okay, I'm gonna put my game cameras up. I'm my father's daughter, that's for sure. Out here setting game cams up on a deer kill. What's wrong with me, everybody? I don't have my snowshoes because I was in a hurry. I want to get this documented. This is the second kill with second eagles in our yard, my mom and dad's yard. Oh, I can barely walk. Now that burl right there, that looks like an eagle. That's a burl on well, I don't know. It's a cherry tree or it's a something or another. I don't know. I can't talk. I don't have any oxygen. I've been rushing around trying to get this videotaped. When I came out here earlier, the mama to this baby was right out here, wondering what's wrong with her baby. And something's terribly wrong with her baby. Something's terribly wrong with him. He looks like a little donkey baby, a little burro. Something's been really feeding, and I hope I can get some coyotes on my game cam. I really want to get some coyotes. Mama was out here looking at her baby. It's terrible. Okay, I gotta get to work.